Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Apartments.com, a leading online platform for finding apartments and rental properties. This guide will walk you through the process of searching, filtering, and applying for apartments on the website. To start, go to Apartments.com and click on the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the city, state, or zip code where you want to find an apartment, and select the type of rental property you are looking for, such as an apartment, house, or condo. Once you have entered your search criteria, click the search button to view a list of available properties. You can filter your search results by price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, and amenities such as a pool, gym, or parking. Use the Map View feature to visualize the location of each property and get a sense of the surrounding neighborhood. You can also use the photos and virtual tours to get a better look at the interior and exterior of each apartment. When you find a property that interests you, click on the listing to view more details, including the rent price, lease terms, and available move-in dates. You can also contact the property manager or landlord directly through the website to ask questions or schedule a viewing. To apply for an apartment, click the Apply Now button on the listing page and fill out the online application form. Be sure to have all required documents and information ready, such as proof of income, credit score, and rental history. Best practices for using Apartments.com include creating a free account to save your favorite properties and receive updates on new listings, using the website's resources and tools to research neighborhoods and local schools, and carefully reviewing the terms and conditions of each lease before applying. By following these steps and using the features and tools on Apartments.com, you can find and apply for your ideal apartment quickly and easily. Remember to always research the property and landlord thoroughly, and to read reviews from other renters to get a sense of the property's quality and management. With Apartments.com, you can streamline your apartment search and find a great place to call home.